HMD Global, which has been using the Nokia name for its devices, has announced that it will be assembling some of its devices in Kenya. This development was announced today by Gopher Ogembo, HMD Global's senior business manager for East Africa, who hinted that the firm is in various stages of setting up assembly plants in Kenya with its partners. HMD Global has been in the Kenyan market for nearly 6 years now, following an entry into the country back in 2017. Other than assembling phones in Kenya, HMD Global has revealed that it will be offering device financing options for customers who want to buy Nokia devices on credit. According to Gopher, Nokia will complete this exercise in partnership with M-KOPA. These developments will see considerable price drops for some Nokia phones in Kenya. Remember, smartphone prices have been growing over the years, and they further received a sharp hike in 2022 following the introduction of new taxes. Today, Nokia also announced the availability of the G60. This is a mid-range device that also has 5 radios. It will be available from Telco Safaricom at KES 53,000. And customers who pick it will also be given Nokia earbuds with active noise cancellation for free.